Hi, we are from Annamachar Institute of Technology and Science, Rajampet, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we have to explain about my project, that is Arduino controller based Land Rover and to save soldier lives. Under the guidance of Mukhtar Ali sir, Assistant Professor of Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. We are presented by R. Sai Kumar, D. Sindhuja, S. Pujita, Ramakrishna. We are teammates to present with the project. The main object of this project is it is mainly focused to protect the soldier lives by using sensors to detect the enemies, an automatic system to give an alarm, and also gives an LED bulb. It also provides to overcome the limited working range of wireless control robots which uses an IoT. The main concept of this project is cell phone control Land Rover using Atmega 388P is basically made to operate robots by cell phones in order to simplify the control of robots. It mainly focuses to protect the soldier lives. Cell phone controlled robot provides the advantage of robot control and increases the working range as large as the coverage area of the service provider. There is no interference with the other controllers and give to 12 controls. That is motor controls, LCD, Arduino, ESP cam. Like it enables to control the robot only by pressing mobilely from anywhere within having internet source. Just like that our cell phone works as a remote control. As the cell phone control robots appears capability very vastly. The robot is consisting of 4 different spaces: perception, processing, action and detection. Perception, which means when we call the phone from one phone to another, we have to signal frequency matched, then DDMF signal, digital to multi-frequency signal is matched, then decode the chip, then DDMF decode is output to the microcontroller processing. After perception stage, microcontroller process the binary codes it receives. The microcontroller it can be processed. Microcontroller may are made in programmed embedded C. Action, final stage is relation of motors based on input given by the microcontrollers. 2 DC motors of used the Land Rover driven by the motor IC L29-3D motor driver. Detection, when the enemy person is entered into our cam, then our cam is captured and it detects the enemies by using ESP combined with polarizers. LCD is the type of flat panel display which is liquid crystals. This can be commonly found in smartphones, televisions, computer monitors and instrument panel. This LCD display is connected in built of LDR. LDR means light dependent resistors. This is the LDR working principle is when the illumination is high, then shows the daytime and the LED bulb glows off, and the illumination is low level, the LCD display shows the night time, then LED bulb glows on. 12 volts battery, and these are the L29-3D motor driver. This is the one of the controlling of microcontroller. This having 2 motors, DC motors. For the left controlling of motor is one, and right motor is one connection. To move the left or right according to give our instructions, then we have to operating our robot. Node MCU which is used to connect the IoT. It is a open source framework for which open source framework protecting board region are available. The name Node MCU combines node and MCU. MCU means microcontroller unit. The term Node MCU refers to the framework rather than the associated with developed kits. This Node MCU can be used to connect an IoT to this robot in our mobile phone. We have to use our mobile phone as a remote, then we have to controlling the either left, right or front or back or stop. Likewise, we have to operate by using our mobile phone only. This one is buzzer alarm. Buzzer alarm, which means by using interconnecting of ESP32 cam and buzzer alarm. ESP32 cam is a mobile IP web camera application. This camera is used to detect the enemies. We have created an IP address in the desktop. We have to connect with the Wi-Fi source. Then IP address creates according to our instructions. Then we have to control our Land Rover to recognize or enrolling our image face by starting the live video stream. Then enroll images. It can be taken by 5 samples and then save the image. And next, say if the same person entered, then doesn't react. That means but doesn't give any buzzer alarm and LED glow. Cam 329. In the previous existing systems, they have some drawbacks. We have concluded that there are limited range of working area. It is not possible to detect the objects in night visions, less acknowledgement, and it does not have any system to detect the enemies. Then we have go with our proposed system. We have implemented the proposed system with the IP camera, mobile IP camera application, which is 80 mega 38p Arduino controller, which is very high performance of supply, node MCU, motor drivers, LDR, LCD display, etc. It is mainly focused to save soldier less, basic sensors, data inputs and automated system. We have go with our connections. This is our 230 volts AC supply input. These are also used as batteries to. These are also batteries to give the supply whenever we have the uninterrupting of supply, power supply. Then power supply is goes to the transformer, which is a step down transformer. This step down transformer is up to 232 changes into 12 volts. The 12 volt supply can be splitted into voltage splitter according to our requirements, that is 12 volts, 7 volts, 5 volts and 3 volts. Then one of the 12 volt supply is connected to an Arduino controller. This Arduino controller is main heart of this project, heart of this robot. The microcontroller can be controls the whole system like node MCU, LCD display, LDR register, motor driver, ESP cam. This Arduino controller gives the connection of an LCD display. This LCD display is a flat panel display or other electronically. When the another person, that means enemy is entered into our cam, our live stream video, then the buzzer alarm will glow on and also the LED glows on. This is buzzer alarm gives on sound, and LED, the LDR is also glows in the ASPCAM32.
Now we are going to our output of the result. We have created an IP address by using the IP number of 192.168.4.1. So we have to create an IP address 192.168.4.1. In this we have adjusted different types of controls of using video live stream, like resolution, quality, brightness, contrast, saturation, special effect, WB mode, sensor, FGDSB, AE level, AJC, gain ceiling, BPC, double PC, GMA, lens correction, H mirror, VFL, DCW, color bar, face detection, face recognition, and we have to still an images and also start the live stream and enroll the images. Now we are going to our output result of the project is, first we have to select the face detection, and next we are recognizing the face. By comparing those faces, when the output is true, it will be does not any reaction. When the output is false, it can be reject the images. Now we are going through see our result. Now we have click the start stream and also enroll face. So we have like this taken samples, and these samples are created, and the same person can be rejected, so it calls green color. And when the another person is enters, like, so it shows red color. When the when the enemy person are enter into our webcam, it can be detect the red bulb and red alert system. So we have to alert our soldier system easily identified. Now we have to create an IP links address by using an IoT, which is the connection of node MCU. We have to create our links either like front, back, left, right, stop to create our inbuilt to the program. So whatever we click the button just by using an IoT, anywhere we can use. Just click on our front button, the Land Rover can be moved as the front side, and click on back button, the Land Rover can move back side. So simultaneously all the links are front, back, left, right, stop can be worked as similarly. First we have to click on front. So code like this 786 and different the Land Rover can be moved whether front or back or right. In the same way the links can